on that. Now, Canva has tons of different elements for you to choose from. You have shapes, you have graphics, you can use the AI generator to create images, tables, photos, videos, audio, charts, stickers, frames, grids, 3D graphics, etc. And the list goes on and on. If you know that you want, say, put in blobs, and there we go. These are all your elements that you can drag and drop into your frame. Now, there are some elements that have this little crown, and that's a pro. Most of the Canva elements are free to use, but some of these are pro only. The pro only elements you can only use if you have a pro membership, a subscription to Canva. I recommend that you get a pro subscription to Canva because there are a lot of these pro elements and all of them are really, really good. They're created by content creators all over the globe, designers that have tons of experience, tons of knowledge, and they're all super editable and really good looking and elevate your design. So the ones with the crowns are the pro ones where you need to have the Canvas subscription. The ones without it do not have any subscription. You don't need to have a Canva Pro account. You can just use them in any design. And that's it, guys. That is Elements for you in a nutshell. I hope you understood. Thanks, and I'll catch you in the next video.